In a world saturated with travel options, there's a breed of adventurers who crave more than just the well-trodden paths and familiar landscapes. For those with an insatiable appetite for the unexplored, the 4x4 camper vans stand as more than just vehicles. They represent a lifestyle choice. So, in this video, we'll check out 5 of the 4x4 camper vans for extreme adventures. Enjoy! If you're seeking the ultimate adventure vehicle that can handle any terrain, look no further than the crawler Amare. This rugged yet stylish camper van redefines exploration with its unique blend of wood and aluminum construction. Built on a Volkswagen transporter, the Amare comfortably sleeps and lives 4 people with its spacious, well-appointed interior. What truly sets it apart is the range of clever features allowing you to cook, dine, and use the bathroom either inside or outside the van, so you can fully immerse in nature while still enjoying creature comforts. Its all-aluminum body and customizations from Amare's R&D team allow it to crawl over rocks, mud, and hills that would stop lesser vans in their tracks. If you want 4-season, go-anywhere freedom paired with off-grid luxury, the Amare is quite simply the premier extreme adventure camper van you can get today, since it'll more than bring your boldest expeditions to life.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
The Coastal Eclipse Sprinter Camper ushers in a new era of luxury overlanding. This bespoke build epitomizes coastal home style with its tasteful white cabinetry contrasted by warm Tassie oak wood and rattan accents. No expense was spared, outfitting the Sprinter's spacious interior with a full galley kitchen, configurable bench seating, a queen bed, and ample storage solutions. Adding to the glamping experience is a hot shower, air conditioning, and a 130-liter fridge. Yet the Eclipse doesn't sacrifice rugged capability for comfort. It rolls on aggressive all-terrain tires and method wheels, enhanced by a roof rack, exterior lighting, and rear tire carrier. This enables the luxuriously appointed camper to crawl up hills and over rocks to secluded coastal hideaways. With a 326 amp-hour lithium electrical system and 200 watt of solar, you can boondock in sublime style indefinitely. If you seek a turnkey, go-anywhere van blending contemporary aesthetics with extreme off-grid endurance, the Coastal Eclipse Sprinter sets a new benchmark for premium adventuring. No other overlander on the market today fuses form and function at this peerless level. Dubbed Clifford after the famed Big Red Dog, Tourig's Sprinter camper van conversion bursts with vibrant crimson wrapped around classic white. But more than its eye-catching custom paint job, this rig barks and bites as much as it dazzles. Under the hood, its 4-wheel drive Mercedes-Benz Sprinter can traverse snow or mud to reach scenic vistas accessible only by the most capable adventure vans. Inside, a smart floor system enables flexible configurations. Pack it for 2 people on rugged off-grid excursions one week, then carry 9 friends and family touring cities the next with Shielman swivel seats. Storage and versatility make Clifford the total overlanding package in one fantastic build. He'll transport you way out past civilization's edge without sacrificing connections, comforts, or style back in town. So whether you want to chase powdery backcountry lines with your ski buddy or Cabernet-sipping mountain sunset views with a larger crew, Clifford expertly balances extremes. His bright red coat and tail-wagging charm deliver big fun wherever the road takes you. Outside van Syncline, dubbed Syncline for its ability to fold landscapes into its versatile design, this 2013 Sprinter adventure van from Outside Vans is built to bring your outdoor lifestyle anywhere. Outfitted for both utility and leisure, it has galley essentials like a fridge, stove, and ample storage to keep you fully stocked for playtime in rugged terrain. Yet, customizable features like pull-out bunks and bonus cargo space also make Syncline primed for family trips. It powered over ups and downs in its decade of travel thanks to Mercedes-Benz reliability enhanced by camping-specific mods from Outside Vans. So, whether you're an outdoor enthusiast seeking solo off-grid escapes to America's most stunning yet remote nature preserves, or a family of 4 making memories on national park camping vacations, Syncline delivers. Its thoughtful blend of convention and customization folds your adventurous dreams into reality. No matter the roads you take, Syncline allows you to explore farther and stay longer with the convenience of home, always by your side. Vansmith transforms the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter into an adventure machine with their fully custom 170-inch wheelbase camper conversion. Its spacious interior enables true off-grid living with a configurable bench layout, vast storage solutions, a full galley kitchen, and even a built-in shower. Unique style choices like shaker cabinets with eye-catching inlay and faux tongue and groove walls give a contemporary edge. Yet purpose-driven upgrades make extreme expeditions possible, like aggressive BF Goodrich tires on Black Rhino wheels, upgraded suspension and lift kit, and exterior attachments for surfboard and ski transport. So not only can a group camp and dine comfortably inside thanks to the open floor plan, but they can chase powder lines by day and then clean up for a night under the stars. For those requiring heavy-duty performance, to venture far off the beaten path without abandoning connections or amenities. The Vansmith 170 delivers immense space perfected and redefines the very concept of adventure. So those were our picks for the 5 best off-road 4x4 camper vans for extreme adventures. Which one of these did you find to be the most interesting and why? Do let us know, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.